Oh my God. Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you tutorials because some people saw my last video and asked me to do a tutorial of how I packed my hair and my edges. So today I'm not only giving you tutorials on how I pack my hair, I'm showing you how I keep my braids clean the whole month or however long I carry my braids. I'm giving you 6 styles on how I style my braids. Also for the 4C hair ladies, how to lay down those stubborn edges, I have one too. My hair is 4C texture, so I'm showing you today how I lay down. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I clean my hair, my braids. You need a bowl of water, you need a washcloth, and you need a shampoo. I'm using the Rose shampoo from Sheer Moisture. So I just put like 2 drops. I use a washcloth and a shampoo because using cotton wool and alcohol dries up your scalp, and cotton wool leaves some white things all over your braids and it doesn't really look cute. So I use a washcloth and shampoo because it ends up smelling good. Just trust me. And the smell that has been there, I'm not going to clean my hair because I'm taking out these braids today. I'm doing this video just for you. So I'm just going to show you how you go through it. You go in all through. After that, when you've finished, so what I do is I use the argan oil of Morocco. I just go through it, through my scalp, through the clean scalp, and that's how I clean my braid. And I hope you've learned something today. Try it out and let me know in the comment section below if it worked out for you. Now my hair really smells good, but I'm taking it out today. So now we're moving on to the edges, and next will be how I style my braids. I chose to do this tutorial today. I have other videos I've already shot for you guys, but I chose this one first because I'm taking out these braids, so I might not be having braids on for some months. So this is the only opportunity I have. This is the only time I have to show you. So what I do, I use the Eco Styling Super Protein. I don't know why they say Super Protein, but it's the Eco Styling. They say alcohol free for dry and damaged hair. I don't know. Whichever gel you have, you can use that. This is just the one I got. Okay, I'm just doing this for the purpose of the video, so I can't really see what I'm doing. The mirror seems far away. After you put your gel, you tie it down. Tie it down. Okay, so after 5 minutes, you see the edges are still there, but that's not it. You go in with your got to be glued spray. Like I said, you're doing it like a lace frontal. This is how your edges can last. So now I take it out. Look at that. Style my braids. I'm giving you 6 different styles for your braids. Trust me, your braids will not look boring. So first of all, we're starting with the updo, the one you told me you liked, the one that made me do this video. So use a double crunchy. Use a double. Is this crunchy or crunchy or whatever they call it? I think it's crunchy. Use your double crunchy. Pull everything up. Okay, this is also a style. Anyways, let me do what I did. For some people, if you want to leave it like this, it's also a style. It's nice, it looks good. But for the video, I used this to finish up. So there you have it. Clean, smart, updo hair. So for the second style, you do an updo. Like so. This one is a bit tricky. I would usually use a pin to connect these braids because I hate seeing these things. But this is another one, a high updo with a side. What is this called? Just drop some on the side to braid this part of your braids. Just braid it. If you don't want it falling on your face. So this is the fourth one. You can see it looks, just slims down your face and gives you that, what are you saying, kind of face. So number 5, for those of you who like to have your hair down, I can show you how to have it down without it bothering you. So you just need to go in and make a part, just I'm not done, just wait, let me show you what I do. So you hold it back, but it doesn't end here. So I go like so, I bring it forward, I bring it forward, bring it forward, bring it forward. Everything there I bring forward. Bring it forward, like so. Just fill it up properly. Like so. You can see how it's... So I do the same thing to both sides. Instead of it just looking dropped on your face and you can't really do anything. And sometimes it just looks messy because you're doing like so every time. This is what I do whenever I want to drop my braids and it doesn't go anywhere. It just stays in place, looks clean, put together, neat. Let me know in the comment section below if you would do these styles. Oh my god, I hit my light. This one is also a style. If you want to, have it like this, it's still nice. But then I drop some, then I just go without actually folding it so much. Then I drop this one. It's why it's called a rough updo. It's not as neat like the first one. It needs to be rough, not clean. Hey, don't do that to my lashes. So you just keep going with the remaining hair. Why I dropped this one is because some people want to rock it this way. But then if I have to rock it this way, this thing has to be a bit. So I start from the middle. I just make this one tight because it's the base. I go around, put it in a bond. So what I do is I take them sections by section and I just start going. Just watch what I'm going to do. I don't know, you must have seen it before or maybe not. However this helps, good for you. This is more for maybe occasion or something. Depends on you, depends on your style, depends on. Okay, so this is a very important side for me. It just needs to go how I want it. Can you see? Oh my god. Some people leave it this way, but I just don't like having anything on my face. So this goes like so, and this goes like so. Sorry, I didn't say that. So this goes like so. And what I like to do, this is why I called it, for me, is an occasional hair. What I like to do is at the end, I just use a bobby pin and just stick the last one in like so. No more boring styles, no more saying, oh my god, I don't know what to do with my hair. Now you have some tips and tricks on how to make your braids look fresh, smelling good, and neat. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bisous. Mwah.